If you're thinking about buying the Flying Shark, there are a few things you need to know before making that decision, and today I'm going to break down the 7 most important ones. If you're on the fence, stick with me till the end, because we're not only going over the essential details you might not know, but also comparing it with some competitors in the market so you can make the best choice. Plus, there's an exclusive offer I'm about to share, so make sure you don't miss that. First up, Flying Shark stands out in a crowded market, and for good reason. Whether you're familiar with similar products or not, Flying Shark offers a powerful combination of features that are worth considering. What sets it apart is the ease of use combined with its robust capabilities. Compared to other similar products, Flying Shark doesn't require an extensive learning curve, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users alike. Next thing to keep in mind is its versatility. Flying Shark is designed to be highly adaptable, offering customization options that cater to a variety of user needs. Unlike some competitors that offer rigid setups, this product allows you to tweak settings to fit your workflow. From personal use to business applications, it offers the flexibility you might not get with other options in this price range. Whether you're using it for personal projects or integrating it into a larger system, Flying Shark is designed to fit seamlessly into your life. The third thing you'll want to know is about its performance. Flying Shark's speed and efficiency are top-notch. In comparison to other high-end models, it doesn't lag or suffer from slowdowns even when handling multiple tasks at once. I've personally used it for a variety of tasks, and I was impressed with how smoothly it operates under pressure, especially when pitted against competitors that often stumble under similar conditions. It's a solid choice if you need consistent, uninterrupted performance. The fourth thing you should consider is the customer support. Flying Shark excels here, offering responsive and helpful support that many other companies simply can't match. If you've had the frustration of dealing with slow or unhelpful support from competitors, you'll appreciate how easy it is to get help with Flying Shark. Whether through live chat, email, or their extensive FAQ library, you're not left in the dark. Now, let's talk about pricing. Flying Shark offers a competitive price point, especially when you compare it to other products with similar features. What sets it apart is the value you get for your money. You won't find yourself overpaying for features you don't need, and the price-to-performance ratio is one of the best I've seen in this space. Plus, there's an exclusive offer available if you use the first link in the description, where you can get a great deal and try it out completely free. The sixth thing is its ease of setup. Setting up Flying Shark is straightforward, and you won't need a technical background to get started. Unlike some competitors that require complex configurations, Flying Shark has streamlined the installation process, meaning you can start using it right away. It's perfect for people who need to hit the ground running without wasting time on setup. Finally, if you want to get the most out of Flying Shark, you should know that it comes with regular updates that improve both functionality and security. Not all competitors stay on top of updates like Flying Shark does, and this is an essential feature if you want something that will continue to grow and evolve with your needs. These updates are pushed automatically, so you're always getting the latest improvements without needing to worry about manual installations. If you're ready to take the next step and see how Flying Shark compares for yourself, make sure you click the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial available, plus some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out on the opportunity to experience Flying Shark for free and see for yourself why it's the top choice for so many.